Welcome back to another luxury apartment tour. My name is Ashley, and if you need help finding the best spots in Dallas, let me know. So today we are in the Arts District of downtown checking out this gorgeous space. So starting off with the amenities, there is a bar that has a bartender during happy hour. There's a coffee shop right next to the lounge when you first walk in. There's a 24-hour concierge, and wait until you see the rest of the space. If you get groceries or cold items delivered that need to be refrigerated, you can store them here. They also have dry cleaning available. There's an art studio that totally takes me back to my elementary school days, but oh my gosh, this looks like such a fun spot to get creative and bring your friends and hang out. Or if you like to play golf, you can do that here. If you have a dog, they have a great little dog wash area too, where they supply everything. Here's an event space that can be rented out for private parties of up to 35 people. And there's a Starbucks coffee machine that anyone can use 24 hours a day. So if you want to come down here and get some coffee, you're free to do that. This is where they have their workspaces. There are 4 rooms here where you can close the door and have some privacy. First come, first serve. If you just want to do your own thing in this room, you can come do that if you don't want to be around machines. So they actually have virtual classes available here, so it's like having your own personal trainer. And here's a 24-hour fitness center. It was really crowded and I didn't want to go in there and disturb all the people, so if you want a tour, just let me know. You can see the whole gym. Okay, so here is the pool area. It would be super nice if it were sunny outside. They have these cabanas too. You can rent these out if you want some privacy for you and your guests. Now here is apartment number 1. Right now, this is the lowest priced 2-bedroom apartment that they have. It is priced around $3,500. So you get these gorgeous KitchenAid appliances. That includes a gas stove as well as a microwave and the double door fridge. A wine fridge is also included. And check this out. So you get storage for your trash, your recycling, and this opens so you don't have to go out and buy additional storage for your spices. You have storage right here and everything is soft close. Here is another 2-bedroom. This one is huge. It's over 2,000 square feet and it starts around $5,600. And as you can tell, it is so spacious. So this one has a bigger kitchen, and from the kitchen you get a great view of the city. And speaking of great views, check out the way this closet looks. It is humongous. You could literally fit a king-size bed in here. It's that big. So if you have a ton of clothes and you need even more space, here you go, closet number 2, and we're not even in the bedroom yet. Okay, so check out the bathroom for a second, but we're gonna go to the bedroom. How amazing is this panoramic view of the city? It's breathtaking. If you want a penthouse vibe and you don't want to pay $10,000 and up for a penthouse, this is a fantastic option because you still get all those luxury features. Okay, so this bathroom, oh, it is so unique. I haven't seen anything like this. I was so obsessed with this bathtub, I forgot to record the rest of the bathroom. But here's the kitchen space as well as the living area, which still gives you a crazy good view. And here is the connected bathroom. This building has a lot of different floor plans, so there's something for everyone, and you still get these crazy good views. Oh, this closet is huge. Like, oh, I love this space. The bedroom is also huge and it continues over on this side. So if you guys want to set this up as like a little den, you have that option. Okay, let's get into a 1-bedroom apartment next. Okay, this is one of their 1-bedroom units. It's actually a very large corner unit, so you get a ton of natural light. Just walking in, you have this mud room over here, and then a lovely full-size bathroom. Check out the finishes here, very modern, upgraded, luxury, standard, beautiful. Got the built-in storage inside of the bathtub shower. And this closet, yes, look at the size of this.
Oh wow.
Built-in storage right here. So you got all these shelves. You don't need that much drawer space or dresser space because it's all right here. All right?
Yep.
This would be the bedroom. We have a big window here. It's just big enough for me.
A little taller than you.
Almost 5'8".
Yeah.
Heels.
Nice.
So probably almost 6 feet right here. You get a good city view, get some natural light. And into the living space, you get a ton of natural light. Right here. I love how you can totally see the city while you're just sitting here chilling, watching TV, or if you want to make something in the kitchen and you still get a great view. So we have the gas stove right here. The island is actually on the other side, so that's a different concept. If you like to cook, there's still a bunch of space on the other side though, but you do have a wine fridge. And you do have more open space when you first walk in just because the island is off to the side. And just to get a closer look at the appliances, this huge double door KitchenAid fridge. Okay, so now we are on the Sky Lounge deck, which is on the 45th floor if I'm not mistaken. We are so high up in the sky, just towering over all these other buildings. And you guys can just come up here to relax, chill. There was no one else up here when I was there, so this would be a good spot to come do your work and have a nice view of the city on a better day when it's not so cloudy outside. Okay, so if you guys like what you see, make sure to subscribe for more videos. And if you're looking to move, make sure you contact me. I'll leave my information right here. All right, thanks guys. See you in the next one.